Good morning. Oh, I'm comfy. I would have slept a lot better if it wasn't so cold outside. No idea what the temperature is, but under this blanket, it's amazing. Rest of the van, not so much. Pretty cold. I slept at Camping World last night. Oh. I remember waking up a lot, like just in the last couple hours. I tried to sleep in a little bit, but not so much luck. I have to pee. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning in Camping World. Ooh, I think I slept pretty good last night. Not positive on that. I remember waking up quite a few times and being very, very cold. Van is loud this morning. Sounds like a damn semi-truck. Here's the not so secret. I don't like going to gyms. And I hate wearing a mask. And I hate wearing a mask in a gym. I do not have a lot of energy this morning. I don't. I went to sleep really grumpy last night. Like tired, grumpy, angry, grumpy, annoyed, grumpy. I kind of think a little bit of that woke up with me as well. But I'll be good. I feel better though. Like I was feeling bad last few days before I left. I think I'm good enough to get a workout in, so I hate working out. Hate working out. Actually not that bad in here. You get a little changing station too. Not so terrible. Kind of stinks in here. I'm thinking there's something in that trash can I need to get rid of quick, which is okay because I gotta get gas and head to the first shoot, which is in 45 minutes. All right, now I have to wash this damn van. It is just gross. Even touching it's making me nauseous. Ugh. Today we are filming at two different places for the show On the Roadside and also for you. Going to one at 9, going to the other at 3. It's a beautiful day here in Vegas. I mean, it's gorgeous outside. It's a little chilly, but it's freaking February. What do you expect? Be there later. Yay. And there's stop number 1. I've been here one time before and it was a lot of fun, so I figured, well, how the hell do you get in there now? They changed it. Is that a new sign? I don't remember that sign. I remember the building, but I do not remember that big ass sign right there. I guess they're making some money. For them. They are not open yet, but that's perfectly fine. Look at that. I think this is it. Now, who knows? Is this the pinball place? I have no idea. That is a mammoth collection of letters right there. Not open yet. It's coming alive. It's coming alive. Oh, that's crazy. I was just walking and the next thing you know, the whole damn place just came alive. I guess they're throwing breakers back there. That was pretty neat. And yes, Vegas still has mask restrictions. It's whatever. Yeah, the whole place just totally woke up. Like, and I feel like I'm the only one here. I know I'm not, but it's kind of creepy, but creepy awesome. They're still waking up. It's so neat to see that. All right, the shoot part with the camera is over with. Now I'm gonna fly a drone around that place and then on the outside. I wish I could film that. I need another phone immediately because I can't film. Hello. Jeez. Some problems with this lock stuff going on. That's not okay. Yeah, let's see how long she flies. Huge. All right, the shoot portion of this is over. It's for a new show called On the Roadside, just cool roadside attractions and stuff, which in Vegas there's hundreds, if not thousands. I mean, just look over there. It's a mess. But now I'm gonna go have some fun. I still have quarters left. All right, filming's over. Which one do I want to play? Which ones do I want to play? Let's go with the little Ghostbusters. I need to get through these quarters as fast as I can, so.
Welcome to the Ghostbusters, kids. Symmetrical book stacking.
I suck so bad at pinball. I always have. Well, of course, we are lucky there's a Family Guy. Yes, yes, and yes.
Amazing. You are all those pictures that you
Oh! Why am I so bad? I'm hearing some real music. A little AC/DC here, a little Metallica. I'm gonna go with Metallica. I don't know if I can take any more humbling defeat. Maybe I'll go with an old one now. Let's get an old school game. Look at all these old school ones. Awesome. So many cool old school games. Yeah, I guess you just hurdy-gurdy. I like the sound of that, so I'm just gonna play some hurdy-gurdy. That's such a great sound. Oh! It doesn't matter what I do, I just suck. I showed you this last time. I actually did a little YouTube thing here. Not working, but well, rumble. Old school, Lex Luger, Smoking Guns, Bret Hart, Steiners, Tatanka, Hacksaw, Undertaker, Kurt freaking Hennig, Scott Hall, Bobby and Vince. Who knows who else? Because it's not working, but so cool. I want that in my house someday if I ever have a house. Oh look, Doink and who the hell is that? Seriously, who is that? Is that Ric Flair? No. I don't know who that is. And I'm a wrestling expert. Terminator, X-Files. Another Playboy one. Gilligan's freaking Island, yes. Talk to me, Gilligan. Here on Gilligan's Island. Boom. All right, here we go. Aren't they supposed to be a little lower to the ground? Not too bad. Not too good. Oh, I get another ball. It was a lot of fun. I still have a couple quarters left over. Because I know in Los Angeles there's tolls and all that crap. So yeah, when you're in Vegas, man, don't do all the Vegas crap. I mean, do it if you have to, but because it's all right there. But Pinball Museum, man, it's free to get in, free to park, and you only have to spend. I spent $15 and I played like 100 games. Now it's dangerous because it's not 3 o'clock, not even close to 3 o'clock, and I'm starving. My next shoot's at 3 o'clock. I'm done here, and I have like a couple hours to kill in Vegas. That's dangerous. That's when I eat stuff or shoot down helicopters. Let's go get into trouble. I still have like 2 hours before I'm supposed to eat. I'm probably gonna eat less than that because I'm really freaking starving. And I've managed to spend only money on gas and like $15 in souvenirs or whatever. So that's pretty awesome. I've not bought anything. I've not bought any food. I haven't done... Oh, no, I got those, that restaurant, the Black Bart's. They comped it for me because we're going to be filming up there, which is awesome. Anyway, it's just, I've not bought anything but gas, and that's awesome. This could be where that all goes wrong. This is, I mean, literally, there's White Castles right up there. You know what I mean? I could stop and eat White Castles, destroy my diet, spend a bunch of money I don't want to spend on. I'm starting to get a little lightheaded again. I've been like this for about a few days now. Oh, come. Yeah, there it is. There's old Gordo. Ah, that looks so good. I bet you it's amazing. Ah. All right, you may have saw this on my last visit to Vegas. I just happen to be driving right by it and I can't find anything else to eat, so here we go. And yes, we will be filming here soon. So yeah, I can't go wrong. I'm pretty much sticking to the diet, and I'm gonna be very, very happy because this place is amazing. Rollin smoked barbecue. Kinda don't want to drink out of this. I like to collect things. This is where it's at. Write it down. Oh, look at that. You get 10% too. Just show them this video. They'll give it to you. Oh, yes. Spicy. Mama's sweet. And my favorite, the mustard. Oh, yeah. I'm over here looking for carb information. You're not going to find that. I'm not making this up. I am really, really shaking hungry. That's why not. This diet's gonna kill me, isn't it? It's either gonna help me live longer or kill me. One of the two. Jesus. Oh man. I'm recording. Burn ends. Oh. I'm gonna cry. There's a lot of reasons you probably don't wish you were me, but I know a couple of reasons that you probably do wish you were me right now. Oh, son of a gun. I'm gonna watch this later when I'm editing this video and go want it all over again. I should save a little bit. And greens, I'm a green snob. It's not that bad for you. They're good on keto. Oh man, look at that. This is just stupid. It's so good. This is literally the best barbecue I think I've ever had. I've had a lot of amazing barbecue. Oh man, look at this. Stupid good. I'm not a grumpy Brandon anymore. Got a black coffee. I didn't cheat on my diet, but I ate great. Still got about an hour before I got to be at the next shoot. And saw this. We filmed at Rogue Toys, but a different location here in Vegas when I was doing the Funko Pop show. So now I want to see what this is all about. This looks way cooler. Well, hell yeah.
Hello.
Hey, how are you? Oh, Funko Pops. Oh man, these are worth $30, $40, and I had 2 of each of those. I had that one. Oh, I never had that. That's awesome. I had that one, which is now worth $90. Jeez, man. What a cool toy store. Oh, look at George and JYD.
This is all vintage.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is 75. Got Dr. No figures here. This one. Aston Martin.
Oh, that's awesome.
Moonraker.
What are those little guys going for?
That's 20 and 30.
Oh boy, that guy. Yeah. All right, got a little housewarming gift for Steven. A couple of old school James Bond toys. Not that expensive, thankfully. Should see them tonight. I don't know, I'm not bugging them. I'm having a good time. Just spending one day in Vegas. One night and one day in Vegas. That's enough. That's enough. All right, where am I going? Where am I going that I always say that I'm going to go, but I never end up going? Where is it? Is it over here? We're gonna buy some spools? No. Is it over here? We're gonna go to schools? No. Do we need erectile dysfunction? Not yet. Are we gonna follow this boiler and welder and HVAC guy? Possibly. Where are we going? It seems very secretive and ominous. Are we gonna need a lawyer? Possibly. I don't know where we're going. Where could it be? It's a long and windy road. Oh no. There's trash on the ground because it's Vegas. Where are we going? We can't go that way. Ah, where are we gonna go? Yes, you know where we're going to go. I'm hoping they let me in because my VIP tickets are for tomorrow. But I'm here today and I'm not gonna be here tomorrow. They're supposed to switch them. But, and I can't get a hold of the general manager, but, yeah, here we are. Area 15, Meow Wolf, Omega Mart, all those things. Look at that line. I don't want to deal with that. Parking seems to be pretty good though, so I'm in, man. Funny enough, my VIP tickets just came in. Like I just got the email right when I parked. I love this place so much. Now this is a tie-in to the other Meow Wolf in Santa Fe, where this robot stood up. Oh wait, do I have a mask? Yes, I do. Yay. I've never seen if he has the flower in his hand. So awesome. Are you ready? Because I am. Oh, yes. Now there's a mystery for this whole thing. I don't know if I'll ever figure it out, but love that. You walk right in and you're met with that. How freaking amazing. Now normally when I'm filming, I don't have a lot of time for fun. I just, you know, we get the shot. So today I'm gonna spend hours and hours here and have some damn fun. I got new stuff. There's an ice cream shop over there, a coffee shop, a lot of bars. There's Meow Wolf, Omega Mart. That's the main event. And here's the Beast. Shane was the chef there, and he was awesome. But he's been released because of COVID stuff, of course. So I don't have a contact there anymore. I should really make up a contact. I got a Rocket Fizz candy store up top. That's new. Nope, it's right here. They do have cool signs. I don't want to carry anything around, but cool little sitting area to eat, do whatever, hang out. Over there is an arcade. And holy crap, man. I love this place. I do. I could hang out here every single freaking day and not get bored with it. Especially Omega Mart. It's my favorite of all the Meow Wolves. So in. I'm so excited to get in there. hope they let me go early. How effing cool is this place? There is a story that goes through all of this. And I will be buying a lot of Meow Wolf stickers and stuff. It's an avocado coin purse. I'll probably buy that. Oh yeah. This is a little... I already have these, but these look different. Are these different? Oh man, I'm gonna have to check the cameras in my house to see if these are different. These cans are awesome. Dehydrated water. It's all very expensive, don't get me wrong. But I'm here to spend money and have fun. I never get to do this.
You made it to Omega Mart.
On my diet, I can have all of this, most of it. And yes, you can take this stuff home and buy it. Like I said, it's not cheap stuff. Like, what is this? Peace Blasted. They're all freaking hilarious if you read all the packages and the ingredients and all that. It's just ridiculous stuff. So you've got robot milk. Milk. And then a glitch. And more milk. Orange Awakening. What in the world? Now the storefront is just a storefront. This whole grocery store, it's awesome. It's filled with hilarious stuff, much of which I already have at the house. But then you go through portals and there's a whole other world behind the scenes. You really don't know where to start and you don't know where to stop and you never want to leave. I never want to leave. I've been wanting to buy some of the Simply Does Not Contain Spiders. I'm buying that on the way out. Oh, it's a different box on the back. Rumor Associate. That's cool. Honey clumps. Crisper Crunch. And on the back of that is Fruited Loopholes. Perfect. Oh, they do sell this. Empty box. And through here, there's people. We don't want to go in there yet. Another portal. I don't think I've ever been through that one. Here's your produce department. Lots of secrets in the produce department. It's a very hands-on place. Apples. They're so happy. You have to check every vegetable. Like this one here. It's all very evil. And I have one of these at the house already. Otherwise, it'd already be in my shopping cart. But I think it's time to go through a portal. And we're behind the scenes. So pretty. There's like multiple levels and just craziness everywhere you look. Like I said, there's clues everywhere. You can listen to this. You have to dial certain numbers. You go through the portal, and you're back in the grocery store. Sticky notepad, ramen notes. Before you know it though, you will get your steps in at Meow Wolf, any of the locations. Oh, oh hello. The break room.
Not all are equal. Some are exceptional. The customer's always right. But sometimes you'll find may feel confused.
What's that? A door handle? Of course there is.
Inspired reflection on an incredible life. One defined by hard work, visionary actions, and the true love of family. Walt Today initiative.
What could be on the phone? 376-211. I think that was my phone number. Nothing. Feels weird having one of these against my ear like old days. All of these doors have awesome things behind them. Let's go figure out strobe in effect. Oh, of course. Now this is where you're going to see pictures of me. Somewhere on the wall you'll see me. Maybe this wall. The portal. Oh. Oh, I love this room. All made. I love how they tell you that it's not part of the attraction. It just says, nope. Perfect. Oh, right behind you. You're out. It's okay. I can't stay bent over that long. All of these pictures change with the lights. It's pretty sweet. 2 of these things. These are a little bit better to walk around with in the pocket than the ones my mom got me, but the ones my mom got me are way better. And I'm charging up and I got enough juice for hours right here, so hell yeah. Let's go back. That used to be inside. It's crazy if you really look at it. Let me back in. Now it's singing. It was singing. Would anybody need some emergency clams? Like seriously, you can buy emergency clams. I really wish the kid was here with me. He would spend hours in this place loving it. Oh, look at this. Are you real? Sorry. There's the slide. I want to go down the slide. What's going to happen to me down that hole?
So basically what's going to happen is we're going to scan you, probe your brain. We're then going to steal your desires, put them into products, repackage them, and sell them back to you in the Omega Mart.
That's awesome.
Great. So you're okay with that?
You think other people would buy me?
Probably. I'm sure they would.
You're so sweet.
Yeah, of course. All right, good luck.
Face first, right?
No.
I'm
We got
funny.
to scan you from the bottom.
Oh boy.
Your brain.
I'm so scared.
You're going to make it.
Do you kick me or anything?
Nope, you're good.
Holy crap, this is really fast. Holy shit. Why was that so fast?
That's life.
It's another slide. How sweet. This is pretty scary looking. What's gonna happen to me down there? Anything?
Everything will happen to you.
Oh, that's perfect. Go again. Why are these so fast? Oh man. Why was that so scary and fast? I love Meow Wolf. I just spent like 2-3 hours in there. Spent about $20-30, I don't even know. Now I'm going to the gift shop to spend some real money. Today's been a day of spending a little bit of money. But when you got a little extra, then you can spend a little extra, right? Here's the gift shop. I think I've spent enough on Steven, but I think they would really like this. I don't know why. Maybe because he was a singer for Ratt. I mean, really. It's kind of perfect. Yeah, it's kind of whatever at this point. Here's a little throwback to Convergence Station in Denver. Their gift shops always have stuff from all 3 Meow Wolves. Actually, the Ratt is from Denver too. That's the pizza guy, I forget his name. This is from Santa Fe. You know what? I had this sticker on the back of my last car and I was bummed that I couldn't get it off. So I think I'm gonna have to rebuy that sticker too, $3. Put that on the cargo box. Hopefully it doesn't fly off. I really have nothing left to do today and nothing left to do here, but I don't want to leave because I just love this place and it's gonna be months before I get back here. That's it. I feel like a kid in a toy store. I really don't want to leave. And believe it or not, I'm a little freaking hungry again. I don't know how, but I am. But I think I've spent enough money. Or have I? I think I'm gonna go to the Beast. Let's do it. It's nice to get that stupid mask off my face. The last time I was here at this very table actually was with Ricky when we were filming that Vegas show here. It's really dark over here. I don't know how we did it. I got lights, but this place is incredible. I'm bummed that Shane doesn't work here anymore. Such a cool dude, but I just met the owner, the GM now, and he's a cool guy as well. So I'm looking forward to coming back and doing an episode of Go There Eat That here. Why wouldn't we? Looks like there's opportunities for me to not cheat, but I got a bad feeling that I'm going to. So yeah, I'm doing the beef birria queso taco. I guess it's a taco that you dip. It's gonna be my first taco in a month, which is crazy because I'm all about the tacos. All right. It's really cool because there's not that many carbs in this. Just whatever's in the onions and the soup, because these shells are made of cheese. There's nothing but beef inside. It's a dipping taco, and it's pretty damn fantastic. We definitely have to feature this on Go There Eat That. Good stuff, man. Hungry yet? Next level food, man. Those tacos were unbelievable. Maybe just because I haven't had a taco in a long time, but no. I'm gonna... Dipping your taco in consomme sauce. Who would have thought? Another whole freaking bar here. It's just craziness. So much stuff. I might as well get some ice cream now. This is how a diet dies right here. Did I fail to mention that I love this place? More virtual reality stuff. Every inch of this whole Area 15 is just covered in awesomeness. All right, I guess it's time to go. I have to sneeze in my mask and it's gonna suck. Like really, I don't want to leave. I get emotional. That's the kind of attachment I have to all the Meow Wolves and the just this place in general. No, I don't want to go. No. Ah, it's still bright out. So apparently this is a new ride. Oh, I see them up there. They hang out at the bottom and then they just drop, I guess. There's humans on that thing. So it's called Liftoff. But they're just, this is the most boring ride ever, because what the heck, they're just sitting up there. Oh, so it doesn't like shoot up and shoot down.
It's an observation ride, so they sit in it, you get buckled in, you get to your cocktail up there.
And then they just have drinks up there.
So the drinks down here,
What?
and then you take them up. Yeah.
I thought it was like a ride where you shot up or dropped or something. And
More of an observation. It's not a full ride, but it is thrilling.
that's so cool. I don't want to leave. You know what? I'm not gonna, because I don't know what's in that trailer right there. I've been here a few times and I've never been through that trailer. So we're gonna go through that trailer and then I'm gonna leave. And then I have no idea what I'm doing because I'm stuck in Vegas until tomorrow. Yeah. All right. Of course, all of this is on the outside of Area 15. Oh, it's one of these things. Oh, the selfie bathroom queens would love this. They'd be like, oh, hi. I'm so glad I lost that weight. I got a baggy ass shirt on too, so here we go. We do the Mr. Floppy dance, infinitively. What's that on this side? Oh, look at my face in the phone. Wow. I don't want to go. I'm gonna go back in. I got all day access. I'm gonna go right back. They're open till like midnight, so I can come back later. Probably not going to, because I think I've just got my fill. I've walked about 4.5 miles inside of that place. And I have a can of tattooed chicken, which I can turn around and get pierced potatoes. I like how they double them. And I got a bunch of stickers. And for the van, I bought an avocado coin purse. I actually needed this so I can pull up to a toll booth and be like, oh, excuse me, I need to get my avocado, and then pull out some change, which I just dumped a ton of change in my center console here, so I'll do that later. Oh, it's hot. It's really hot outside. So I spent about $100 today. Spent about $100 today. Total on everything. Thankfully, a lot of people give me free stuff and discounts, which I love. I'm not going to turn down discounts. You kidding me? And it's almost 5 o'clock, and I have no idea what to do right now. I forgot when I walked up here that there was a Mexican restaurant, like literally 100 yards away. That's cool. With the big letters and tamales over there. There's another Mexican restaurant, and that, oh hell yeah, dude. Might just get, it won't be low carb, but I don't know what this is, but I'm in. Watch it be close, open. Yay, oh my goodness. Vegas might not let me down. Ordered a bowl of carnitas and a bowl of shredded beef. And it has tacos with a mustache and a sign, so that's always good. And there's some really nice cocks here. Yeah. Some cool decorations. This meat is good. I'm gonna have to add it to the list of places to go in Vegas. I gotta remember the name. Take a picture of the outside. So I shall have tacos after all. So yeah, just to make Grumpy Brandon grumpier, my jackery in the back, I have one in the front, one in the back, did not charge. The cord came loose. Of course it did. I drove around extra for hours, did not mind doing so because I knew I was charging my other jackery, which was stone dead last night. Thankfully, I don't think I'm gonna need the electric blanket tonight. It is warm in here, like really warm. Okay, let's try this pork. I forgot, oh, I didn't get a picture of the place. Let's try the pork. It looks good, it smells good. It's good. It's not amazing, but it's good. Let's try this chicken. Oh, the chicken, that's good. Anyways, I'm gonna put it on a tortilla with some cheese and salsa. Did they give me salsa? Yes, they did. I think Steven's coming out, so I'm gonna go say hi. All right, I said hi to Steven. He gave me the key back. I love the little rat keychain. I need a rat keychain. We're gonna find that. I have to get online to do it. I think you liked his gifts. Man, I am freaking exhausted. Oh, I'm so tired. I've been up for many, many hours. Actually, not that many. It's only like 8 o'clock right now. But I did a lot of stuff today. Went to the gym. Meow Wolf was a freaking gym. Like literally, it was like crazy. A lot of walking. I think I ran a mile, and I think I walked a total of 5 miles today, so not too bad, man, not too bad. I'm trying to get some guns here. I don't have any guns. I gotta get guns. The girls like guns. All right. Taco time. I think the green will go better with chicken. Try not to spill everything. Awesome. All right, this is what they teach you at Taco Bell. My lighting's terrible in here. I need to work on that if I'm gonna be doing this. Tuck in that side first. You see that? You tuck in that side first, and then you roll it. That is how you make a burrito. I learned that when I was like 17 working at Taco Bell. Look at that. So then nothing falls out of this side. It's not supposed to. Okay, here we go. It's the last thing you're going to see on this episode. Me eating carbs. Not many, but carbs indeed. I miss that so much. Good night, people. Good night. Going to Los Angeles tomorrow. I'm gonna go watch him practice.